Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anushka Pradhan and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So on this special occasion, I would like to show you a very simple and a festive look. So let's get started. First of all, I am using this Indulgio Essentials Rose Gold Oil. So it's a serum basically we use before applying the foundation. So after this, I'm gonna apply the foundation. So here we go. So guys, you can see the difference. This foundation is very good. Okay, now I'm gonna apply half and half. It's a half and half product brand. So it's a pressed powder. So just need to do this dab motions. Now I'm using this liquid gel liner for my eyebrows. So guys, after completing my eyebrows, so it's neatly done. Now I want to continue with my eye makeup. So this is the palette from Me On. So it's a little bit glittery type of shadows. So I will apply this. So now I'm applying this light shimmery golden color. So this will be my base. So after this, I'm gonna apply this golden shade, the darker one. So this golden shade is such a shade like it can go with any colors of your outfit. So I'm gonna go with this. So you can see the color, guys. So you can see the color, guys. This is golden shimmery color. So now I'm gonna apply this TFF gel liner. It's a water-based eyeliner. So now I'm applying this shiny glitters. only for the shine. So now I am applying the Huda Beauty waterproof mascara. With my eyes, you can see it. So I have even used the kajal pencil. Now I'm gonna use the Sivana colors of this fake eyelashes. So this is the one. So I'm using this off camera because it will take a little bit time. So I have completed my eyes. I have put the fake lashes and I have completed with my eyes. So now next step, I want to put some blushes. So it's almost done with the blusher. So now I'm gonna apply this Maybelline Pink My Red lipstick. So as I'm done with my lipstick, now I want to little bit highlight my cheekbones and your brow bones. So I'm using this palette. So now I have completed my makeup, it's done with everything. Now I want to put some jewelries and I want to show you the final look. So guys, I hope you like my look. If you like my look, don't forget to comment and like. So wishing you all again a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So see you up with the next video guys. Bye.